Welcome to our video tutorial to configure your Android receiver. Let's see how to plug in your device to your TV before starting the configuration. Step 1. Take an HDMI cable and insert the first end in the HDMI port of your device and the other end in the HDMI port of your TV. Step 2. Plug in the power cable of your device. Let's start the configuration of your device. Press the home and back buttons for 5 seconds to pair your remote control. Your remote control is paired. Select your language from the list. Select your country or region from the list. You can configure your TV by using the Google Home app and following the steps displayed on your screen. Otherwise, please select Setup on TV instead. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter its password. Please wait for the device to connect to the Wi-Fi. Alternatively, you can connect an Ethernet cable from your Internet box to the device Ethernet port. A message will tell you that the Ethernet connection is established. Press Continue to use it. Sign into your Google account to configure your device. Enter your credentials. Wait a few minutes and accept the Google and Google Play terms of service. Press the keys to display the terms of the different categories displayed on screen. Select OK. Then check the boxes of the features that you want to activate. Select Turn Off to deactivate the services that you don't want to use. If you decide to turn off the location feature, some applications might not work accurately. It is possible to enable this setting at any time from the device settings. Select Accept. Wait a moment for Google to configure your settings. You can choose if you want to configure the voice and Google Assistant services. Choose an option from the list. Choose the apps that you want to install from the list on the screen and select Confirm. Start the setup of your Android remote control. Choose the option in the list based on your stereo equipments. Select the brand of your TV from the list. Set up the sound keys on your Android remote. Set up the power button. Follow the steps on your screen. The TV screen will turn off and turn on. Your remote is now set up. Wait for Google to install your apps. Please select the option that you want to set up, if needed. Multiple profiles. Set up several accounts, so that each user can receive customized recommendations. Profile lock. Restrict the access to certain types of contents on your device. Children's features. Create a profile for your kids that will include content suitable for them. Select Go to Google TV if you do not need to create a PIN to restrict the access to certain types of contents. Your device is configured and ready to be used. Thanks for watching. For more information about our products, please scan the QR code below.